Are you ready to snag the biggest web hosting deal of the year? Hostinger is rolling out its Black Friday and Cyber Monday specials, and trust me, it's huge. With their business plan, you'll get everything you need to scale your website or online business. You're gonna get up to 100 websites, daily backups, a free domain, and so much more. Here's the deal. The offer is only available for limited time, and you're not gonna wanna miss it. So make sure you click that link in the description and get started now. Let's dive in, and I'll show you how to grab this insane discount before it's gone. First off, what is Hostinger? Hostinger is a top-rated web hosting provider known for its affordable plans, high performance, and excellent customer support. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned professional, Hostinger offers hosting solutions tailored to your needs. This includes shared hosting, VPS hosting, and WordPress hosting. With a reputation of reliability and speed, it's no wonder millions of users trust Hostinger for their websites. If you want to get started with Hostinger and check them out, make sure you click that exclusive link in the description, and I'm just about to show you how to get the best deal possible using our discount code. So what you're going to want to do is click that link in the description, and it'll bring you to this offer. We'll go ahead and click claim deals. Here you can see the business plan is the most popular, and you can get 80% off, and I'm going to show you how to get even more off, and this is $295 a month for a 48-month term. With Hostinger's business plan, you get 100 websites, managed WordPress hosting, 100,000 visits monthly, 200 gigabytes of storage, free pre-built templates, unlimited free SSL, free email, WordPress vulnerability scanner, daily and on-demand backups, unlimited bandwidth, free domain, and so much more. To get the best deal possible, what you're going to want to do is click choose plan, and as you can see, you can determine what period you would like to sign up for. We're just going to go with the 48 months. We're going to go ahead and click my first website. Go ahead and click apply, and you can save 82%. The cool thing about Hostinger as well is they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't feel like it's the right fit for you, you can get your money back. With this Black Friday deal, you're going to want to act fast because these discounts won't last for long. So if you're ready to lock in this amazing Black Friday deal on Hostinger's business plan, make sure you click the link in the description and type in the coupon code MyFirstWebsite in all caps. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission if you use them at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance if you choose to use them. This helps us to continue to create quality content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.